In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and style preset stickers in Pixlr step by step, so you can quickly bring more creativity, personality, and professional polish to your designs. Whether you're editing thumbnails, social posts, banners, or any other graphic, this simple workflow will help you place stickers, resize them properly, and blend them naturally into your image. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Pixlr tips, tutorials, and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Pixlr and make sure your canvas is ready. To access the sticker tools quickly, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the sticker panel right away, saving you time and helping you move faster while editing. Once the stickers panel appears, click the stickers category icon. This takes you into the preset sticker library, where you can browse a wide range of ready-made assets. Now take a moment to look through the available sticker packs. Pixlr organizes them so you can quickly find styles that fit your design, whether you want something fun, decorative, bold, modern, or minimal. When you find a pack you like, click on it to open the sticker assets inside. Then simply select the sticker you want, and Pixlr will load it directly onto your canvas. This is one of the easiest ways to add visual interest without having to create custom artwork from scratch. After the sticker appears on your design, the next step is to position and resize it properly. To do that, choose the Arrange tool, which is the V key from the left toolbar. This tool lets you move the sticker around and adjust it with precision. Click the sticker if it isn't already selected, and you'll see the bounding box around it. From here, drag the corners of the bounding box to change the size and scale of the sticker. If you want it smaller, pull the corners inward. If you want it larger and more eye-catching, drag outward until it fits your composition. As you resize, try to keep the sticker balanced with the rest of the image. A sticker that is too large can overwhelm the design, while one that is too small might get lost in the background, so always zoom out and check how it looks in the full composition. That little bit of extra adjustment can make a huge difference in the final result. Once the sticker is in the right position and size, it's time to blend it more naturally into the image. On the right side, open the Layers panel and find your sticker layer. Click the three dots next to that layer to open the layer options. From there, locate the opacity slider. Lowering the opacity will make the sticker more transparent, which helps it blend into the background or surrounding elements. This is especially useful if you want a softer, more subtle effect instead of a sticker that looks pasted on the top. A good tip here is to experiment with different opacity levels until it feels right for your design. Sometimes a small reduction is enough, while other times you may want to bring it down much lower for a more stylized or layered look. The goal is to make the sticker feel like part of the artwork rather than something separate from it. And that's it. You now know how to add preset stickers in Pixlr, resize them with the Arrange tool, and adjust opacity so they blend beautifully into your design. It's a simple process, but once you get comfortable with it, you can use it to make your projects look much more polished and engaging in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Pixlr tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.